the voice reflector now installed on the GoPro. I'm going to go ahead and remove the voice reflector and see if you can tell a difference in the audio quality. The voice reflector is now removed. I'm in the exact same distance and position. Here's our ASA iSandmate filament. This is a Sohida 3D printer enclosure. I think it was about 30 bucks. I'll leave the link down below. This is our print before we ran out of filament. Okay, reload and feed in. Close the door, zip it up to keep all of the fumes out. I loaded up our voice reflector. Print is ready. It is now installed on our GoPro Hero 9. Now I'm going to remove the voice reflector. And how does that sound? Testing, 1, 2, 3.